Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download product image from Printify. So first and foremost, you just have to go to printify.com, create an account right here. So you have to click this Printify, click this one, and you can create an account in Printify using your email, password, or you can just basically connect it to your Google account. So tap on Get Started here, click this one, and then it will take you directly to the login page or sign up page. For me, the easiest is to connect to my Google account. Here you have to go to My Products and then you can tap on Browse Products right here. You can search and select that specific product that you want to download. For example, this one right here. You can just click, and actually, most of the cases, Printify doesn't allow to download a product. You can just save this, but it's totally different. You will not able to see the image once you have downloaded it like this. So the option for this is you have to simply right click and then look for Google Lens. Look for a specific product that look like this. For example, this one right here. And then you need to download this or save us. Then you will have the picture or the image. And that is the option one. Now, let's just say if you have downloaded the product that you have created here in Printify, then all you have to do is select that product right here, tap on edit. So for example, if you want to download this product right here that you have created, then all you have to do is to click and then save us and go to your download folder and you will see that product. So basically, that's how easy it is. So these are the two ways on how to download product from Printify or product image from Printify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.